Babe, my Sakom, I'm waiting. I'm very hungry. Like, seriously?
What kind of bad habit is this?
All this sneezing my Sakom?
It's just sneeze now, calm down.
Just sneeze.
Mom still sneeze.
I've even just lost my appetite. Damn!
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
You've lost the appetite.
Why are you sneezing my food? My Sakom.
This is Sakom.
My almighty Sakom, sneezing it.
Oh, so you will not eat.
Whatever.
You don't want to eat. Ha! It's very yummy. You don't want to eat. Yeah, now. May I help you?
Give me my Sakom.
I think you lost the appetite.
Oh yeah, let me bite some.
No. Give me my Sakom.
I think you say you lost the appetite.
I don't lose again. Just
Like, give me this thing.
this thing will pour.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh God.
My sauce is again. You can just lose my food. Go. Try this thing on that day. 31 days. You know the matters. Don't look at my body. My mama sister to me. I'm gonna keep my Ghana vibe because I did Nigeria. I don't know who teach you this kind of bad habit. On the sneeze. I know you did it on purpose. So that you eat it. Rubbish. Don't make person the verse. My Sakom.